Expressing your pain. Introduction. Which of the following faces describes the worst pain ever? Choose one of the following options. Correct. Which of the following numbers indicates tolerable pain on the 0 to 10 pain scale? Choose one of the following options. 1, 0, 2, 5, 3, 10. Correct. Patrick picked pain level 4 yesterday. Today he has slightly more pain. Which number should he pick? Choose one of the following options. 1, 2, 2, 6, 3, 10. Correct. 6 indicates a higher pain than yesterday's pain of 4, but is still not a very excruciating pain. Thank you for using Explain.